All right, all right, all right. Okay, so you know I love the experiment. So I got some bay leaf tree cuttings, and I was curious to see how long it take for them to root. But as you can see, I put these in February 3rd, and it is February 28th. And a lot of people say, oh, it take months for you to see signs. Do you guys see? Look at that little leaf coming. And it's more right here coming. And then this is another one. And then this is another one. The leaf is coming. So, as you can see, it took a few weeks. I say about a month for me to see new growth. All right, this is my bay leaf tree that I will be putting in my garden shortly. If you want to find out how I rooted it fast, leave it in the comments. Okay, bye.